Hello, my dear students. In this part, we have to discuss about surface energy of the liquid. Last time we have discussed surface tension of the liquid. Ako no sigi part of this liquid ki surface energy haijini ko. Ano sa ki surface energy they are the surface. This surface represents free surface of liquid. That is liquid surface in contact with air. Aduga energy haitadi koina it is equivalent to amount of work done. Surface energy free surface of the liquid labor energy to labor. That is energy possessed by the free surface of the liquid. Surface energy but definition formula derived of work done. That is energy is equivalent to work. That is energy have no work done have some surface energy define in terms of work that lakani derivation formula derivation work that lakani work that lakadu no work that surface tension define that is every free surface of the liquid tends to contract due to surface tension or force of surface tension in order to occupy minimum surface area. The mahusana nature na free surface of the liquid se magi area se yari kai minimum oina boko de yaboko aduna maram orkada magi free surface se sagi contract on boko de rakane due to the force of surface tension. Aduna in order to form the free surface of the liquid having definite surface area, some work should be done against the force of surface tension, and that amount of work done is stored as energy, that is potential energy of that free surface of the liquid, and that is called surface energy. That is when high surface tension number or the liquid ki free surface se contract on a contract means picture picture lagasu sagi free surface of the liquid se magi area ze 0 that is it cannot be reduced to 0. This means that some work is done against the force of surface tension in order to form some surface area of that free surface of the liquid. Surface area free surface of the liquid against that is the force of surface tension man adu number or got the water tawani work the surface energy or the logo aduna magi definition je hoji iraga yengasi aduga magi formula derivation of blocks. So surface energy of the liquid may be defined like this. It is defined as the amount of work done against the force of surface tension of the liquid to form the free surface of the liquid of a given area. Free surface of the liquid of a given area. Area apiba area surface area free surface form the force of surface tension against the liquid to enough work work to surface energy of the liquid define then next we have to try to derive the expression for surface energy of the liquid. So in order to derive the expression for surface energy of the liquid, first we have to consider this figure. So here A, B, C, D represents a metallic rectangular frame. So A, B, C, D is a rectangular frame metal that is binding tara tara frame that is metal rectangular frame and PQ represents a wire that can slide over the sides AB and CD. That is PQ is not a fixed wire. Fixed nate move to wire EBCD that slide to wire PQ and then a soft film is formed on this rectangular frame ABCD. P, B, C, D is soft film. Soft film is the thin liquid layer. So form to form to suppose this rectangular frame is immersed inside a soft solution and pull out, then a soft film will be formed. When you see ABCD have a kind of rectangular frame, they are soft solution. Soft solution the lupsalani, adu lakto kada sigi yamda paba liquid layer of form the then is soft solution higher. Aduna sidala is a soft solution, there is a thin liquid layer of form. Then due to surface tension, the surface area of this soft film P, B, C, Q tends to have minimum surface area, so that the force of surface tension will act inwards perpendicular to the sides of the soft film. On the surface tension number workan the sigi soft film gi my surface area je minimum pixel number corner kanebo ko adu number workan the sigi force of surface tension capital S na the force of surface tension je inward act to kanebo ai sigja number corner kanebo pixel number ko the wood bumagi direction je perpendicular to the sides of the soft film sigi P B ID C B ID C Q ID P Q the perpendicular act to and again tangential to the free surface of the liquid. Tangential is parallel with parallel act to as shown by the arrow lines. Arrow line ties the core. So, when you put the work done to increase the surface area of the soft film against the force of surface tension. Also, in order to increase the area of the soft film, this wire PQ will move outwards against the force of surface tension through small distance, say x, without breaking up the soft film. Sigi soft film je kahan da bida sigi PQ je kitang sing thoko doi ko maparo da kitang sing thoka da sagi force of surface tension gi mayok ta koino worker to bone no adugi work done do surface energy ga mane da lei doi ne adu sila is P dash Q dash represents the new position of the wire PQ. PQ P dash Q dash we have to find out amount of work done in moving the wire PQ outwards through a small distance x against the force of surface tension. The work done the surface energy ka mani na high to work done putosi and work done putosi sigi figure je karino hanamu easy ko. Let us consider a rectangular metallic frame ABCD provided with a wire PQ which can slide over the sides AB and CD as shown in figure. A soft film PBCQ is formed. There are two free surfaces of the soft film. This soft film is free surface that is front back side free surface that is liquid surface in contact with air. The free surface the surface tension each of the free surface exists surface tension due to surface tension of the liquid. The surface area of the soft film tends to contract so as to have minimum area. So in this particular figure, S represents surface tension, and this arrow lines represents the force of surface tension, and this force of surface tension acts inwards perpendicular to the sides of the soft film, and again tangential, that is parallel to the surface of the soft film. The force of surface tension acts inwards perpendicular to the sides of soft film and tangential to the free surface of the soft film. Arrow lines. The area of the soft film can be increased by moving the wire PQ outwards against the force of surface tension through a small distance. Soft film ki area increase to get high tardy wire PQ je mapalo da kita singtok ta ko adu tardy magi area increase already, and in that situation some work should be done against the force of surface tension, and that amount of work done is equivalent to surface energy. So here we have to write like this: let S equal to surface tension of the soft film. Soft film with surface tension so when S over C L equal to length of the wire PQ. L is now PQ की length to lower ko. Then force of surface tension F equal to twice S into L. When surface tension I that is force divided by length. When last class is to surface tension means force divided by length. Or the force I that is surface tension into length. Or see that 2 by hour is the factor 2 is because of two free surfaces of the soft film. Sige soft film the free surface ani layam ko mamang dama maning dama. Adi free surface ani laybagi sida twice two surface tension line surface tension ani lay dong ne mamang dama maning dama alo sai koin hai gido every free surface exists surface tension aduna ba free surface ani laybagi surface tension je 2 times lakani aduna force 2s into l ani. So write equation number 1. So therefore, the amount of work done in moving the wire PQ outwards against the force of surface tension through a small distance x, that is from PQ to P dash Q dash. PQ dagi P dash Q dash is given by W equal to force of surface tension into x. That is, so the force of against the force of surface tension. That is, applied force is equal to the force of surface tension. Force L is equal to the force of surface tension. Force of surface tension into x, where x represents distance to which the wire moves. Equation 1 is like this. Work done W equal to 2SL into x. Using equation number 1, when the force twice S L the force motor C is then we may write S into delta A, where delta A equal to twice L into X. See figure demo. Here L represents length of the wire PQ. X in a QQ dash, that is the breadth of this rectangle. PQQ dash P dash ki rectangular figure ki length ka breadth ka demo. Leg into bread height RD area that is increase in area of the soft film to level Sigi L into X size. So twice the kind of for the two free surfaces of the soft film. Soft film maning mamang the zoo my free surface lay maning the zoo free surface lays aduna free surface ani dugi increase in area of doing, so we measure like this twice L into X and then it diluted by delta A. So delta A represents increase in area of the soft film for both the free surfaces, that is front side and back side. So this work done is stored as surface energy of the soft film, that is liquid. The formula work done W equal to S into delta A. How is this now? Expression for surface energy of the liquid or unicorn. Now, surface energy of the liquid surface tension S into increase or change in area of the free surface of the liquid.